Wow! That's okay, that's okay. Okay, go again. Yeah. Yeah, you did. Grabe, ang taas niya na. Go show grandma. Ni watch it daw. Asan si Jade? Pumasok na naman? Ni manood ka. Wait ka. Yes ko na manood. No, Jelana, you need to go upstairs there. All the way to the end, Jolene. Then you can reach it there. Yeah, go. Yeah. Yan doon pala yung tiyaga. May tiyaga pala dun. Oh! Oh! Kapit! Hang on tight! No, you don't need to close your eyes. You're tough. It's okay. Oo nga. Ang taas yan eh. And over there. She went in baseball. Whoa. Did you tell grandma? Yeah, somebody has to help her, anak. Come on, Jolene. I'll pay you. Matamaan ka dyan, mother. Yung Makati dyan, may Makati dyan eh.
Pwede naman niyang iganon sa ano niya.
Oo nga, gawin niya nga.
Ba't ayaw niyang iganon? Ang taas-taas na nga.
Oh, wow! You're so tough. You're tough, girl. I know, you almost hit Jewel. Okay, go now. Habang nandun siya. Oh, you're done? Okay. Do you wanna do it, Jolene? Okay, give it to Jolene then. Okay, one more. Ang dami naman nakahoy na. Hello, Mikay. Jelana, go now with Jolene. Okay, give it to Jolene, ha?
Nandun sa may ano, hindi niya putulin.
Ala ko, wala namang oras pa. Pag may time, hindi naman ganun kadaling magputol. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. Ready.